Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Uber driver app for Surge and earnings insights step by step clearly. To download the Uber driver app, start by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store available on your device. For Android users, this is the Google Play Store. For iPhone users, navigate to the App Store. In the search bar, type Uber driver. Look for the app with the official Uber logo. Once you find the app, tap on it to open the details page. Check the ratings and reviews for assurance. To initiate the download, locate the Install button. On Android, this button will say Install. On iPhone, it will say Get. Tap the Install or Get button, wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the Uber driver app on your home screen. Tap the app icon to open it. You will need to sign in or create an account. Follow the prompts to enter your information. If you're already a driver, use your existing Uber credentials. For new drivers, select the option to create a new account. Fill in the necessary personal and vehicle details as prompted. After successfully logging in, explore the app interface. Locate the Earnings Insights section. Here, you will find information on surge pricing and your potential earnings. Keep the app updated to access the latest features and improvements. Now you are ready to use the Uber driver app for your driving needs. Enjoy your driving experience and the insights that come with it. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.